So for this video, I'll be showing you how you can create block schedules in Google Calendar. So let's say for example that at July 24, I have a meeting at 2 p.m. So I'm just gonna go and click on hold on 2 p.m. And then I'm going to extend that down up to 4 p.m. for example. And then I'm going to write title, meeting. Then I'm gonna click on save. And it's as easy as that. Let's create another one. For example, someone invited me to a birthday party on July 25, Friday. So let's say that the party is at 3 p.m. So I'm just gonna click on 3 p.m. I'm going to extend that up to 5:30. And then I'm going to add title, birthday party. And then I'm just gonna click on save. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.